Got Three Stooges working on the... Okay, here. Let's take the whole thing. The whole thing. All right. Oh, of course it doesn't fit. Son of a bitch. Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So we just sold the turbo kit. The problem is they don't want the engine. And the other problem is a snowstorm is coming in, so we need to get the turbo kit off the engine. What's up, homie? What's up? And we need to get it ready for sale before the snowstorm comes.
I fucking forgot them. I had to come back.
I'm so glad you went back because that's all I have to do all weekend.
Yeah.
I picked up most of the rest of the stuff from AutoZone to get the Duralast lifetime warranty, and I used your account.
Yeah, I know, because they called me and were like, hey, your shit's done. And I'm like, oh, okay, thanks.
Oh, no, they called
They called me telling me that your knock sensors were there and the pigtail.
What the fuck?
They called me.
God damn it.
I was gonna tell you that. So yeah, by the way, your knock sensors are there and your
God
pigtail.
fucking damn it. We'll have to go get them later. How does this...
What are you trying to do here? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm about to break shit.
No, it's...
James.
You do it then, Mr. Mechanic. Hate you. Those will go with the kit. There's no reason not to give them to them. Okay. Okay. Down pipe.
Did you take some speed or something? You were like hauling dick.
I drank a Monster in like 10 minutes. And I had a pretty, I can't talk about work on the video, but I had a pretty fucking shitty day at work today, so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so headers, down pipe, pulley bracket, pulleys. Yeah, my concern is that we won't even be able to get it off because...
We're getting it off.
Well, I got this, and... got this thing, which is a god-awful, nasty, oily mess. They oiled the sockets before they shipped it. Ugh. That's Laz. There's like 6 or 7 bolts on there, homie. Here. Is that Laz? What, did he change his exhaust?
That's it.
You got bolts underneath.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to move this one out.
Are they that loose?
These are.
God, no wonder it wasn't running right. Okay, I'm gonna start working on the manifold. Watch your eyes. I say that and then I spray myself in the face.
Done.
Yeah, I'm already having really bad memories and flashbacks from this.
Hola.
Ugh. I forgot to start recording again. Okay. Got Three Stooges working on the... Okay, here. Let's take the whole thing. The whole thing. All right. Oh, of course it doesn't fit. Son of a bitch. Okay. Do it this way.
Wrap it in a blanket.
There.
Wrap it in that shit.
Okay. What do you think the torque spec on this sensor would be, Brandon?
Tight. 63 degrees tight. Does that make sense to you?
No.
Good. Because I don't know what it is. Just guess.
Gonna be one Ooga Dooga.
That's fair. Snapped.
Yeah, exactly.
Shit.
I wouldn't be surprised.
That'd be funny. You sure you tightened these down?
We have to give him this little fitting too, Brandon, if we can get it off. What size do you think? 12? 13? Yep, 13. Smart man. Fuck, that fucker was on there.
You got a 10 for that? Beast. Good talk.
Oil. What? Sorry.
10.
Okay. Oh shit, this thing's leaking oil. Not surprising, I guess.
Those are expensive, but those are bomb as fuck.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Those are very expensive.
Okay. Okay, so we got all the downpipe stuff.
Well, that's different than that one.
Where's the header gaskets? Right there. Okay. Headers.
But I like. Our stuff on that.
Headers. Should be 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brandon, where's 6? Never mind. I can't count. Did that pipe clean up okay, Laz?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. Is this the guy with the red car, or is this a different guy?
Different.
Okay.
It's blue.
Blue, blue. Wait, is it Wes's car?
No.
So I don't need bad cred, bad street cred. Ah!
That's your 3-bar Aspen.
Damn it, Brandon. It's not gonna mess it up, is it?
No, it shouldn't.
I think it'd throw a code if it did, right? It's not gonna like read wrong. Okay.
I say that, but I really don't.
I mean, they're only like
I've really
10.
never thrown one
They're,
across the room
they're only like
before.
$10, so.
You're only like $10. So, there's that. What are you taking off?
Here, Brandon, can you also pull? What?
What do you need?
Can you pull this line off? That's our blow-off valve line. Okay, and then
Is this dude running late or what? He's supposed to be here at 5.
5:20.
Oh.
520?
Yeah.
It's 520.
Oh.
Is he coming here?
oh no.
Just break it with a regular ratchet and then come at it.
I had it on the safe setting
Why'd you have it on that?
because I don't want to break nothing.
Sure.
Damn it.
Oh, that sucks. You broke that out of the T.
Wait, what? The T was broken, or it just
I
broke?
just broke.
Oh, okay, that's fine. And say that might
it off.
also explain why it wasn't running well. Where'd that other bolt go? Where'd the bolt go? I can't even talk. I'm so tired. Okay. Yeah. Don't judge me.
You're being good.
It just barely fits. Oh, I got no pulley bolts now. Okay. Not here yet? Okay.
He said 20 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
I sent him to my location, so.
Just cut it off. Well, I guess it'll be too short, or...
Possibly.
No, that works too.
Just want those in the box or what?
Yeah. Or let's put it in a bag and label it. Those aren't...
Those are the part numbers. There you go.
Oh no.
those the
Fuck.
right ones?
I don't think so.
Really?
No. Well, we'll have to check. 'Cause the Chevrolet Performance ones had Loctite on them. Unless the picture on Jegs was wrong, but that's...
They probably used the universal picture.
Fuck.
Can you hold this one up?
You don't want to hold it up in your face?
I'd prefer not to.
I got it. you get them all?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, we're gonna have to take probably a screwdriver. With a kneading utensil.
Here, James. You want to label these? Since you're good at labeling.
Oil pan.
Yep.
Okay.
Jesus, did you use enough?
Enough RTV?
Yeah.
I did what they told me to do.
This motherfucker wasn't leaking, that's for damn sure.
Fuck no, that's the last thing you need. Well, even the OEM one was a pain in the dick to get off. I had to pry on it enough that it messed up the engine block. Yeah, it was not easy.
Probably why it blew up.
Where's my new box? Oh, yes, they got labels on them. Good. I was worried.
Another prying location as well. I need, can you hand me a hammer? Oh, I think it's this short. Now
I like these new bags. Well, where'd this other marker come from? Oh, either I'm seeing double or there's two markers.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Happy New Year. Yeah, I mean, there's no other way to get it off. Careful, careful, careful. It's a really thin weld.
I see that. It's gonna be a little warped.
Well, we're not reusing the engine anyway, so. Oh, hey, now I can sell the crank pulley for like $50 maybe.
Nice. Man, you didn't even drain all your oil.
I did.
You're
That's.
supposed to start it and let it run for a while.
Brad. There you go. Just set it upside down and let it drain out, and then we'll have to. I got a grocery bag. Oh, we can double grocery bag it. Yeah, Brandon. So my parts showed up, and they called you. God damn it! I could have swore I gave him. No, I did give him your phone number so you could get the reward points. Yeah, I gotta go get that shit then, because that means I can finish 90% of the engine this weekend. Wait, these are supposed to be for inside. Fuck. For the 3D printer. Oh, I ordered an upgrade for my 3D printer so I can start printing carbon fiber.
Yeah, I know.
So I don't think I told Laz yet, did I? So now we can print carbon fiber anything, in nylon and in PLA. So rigid or flexible carbon fiber. No,
Yes.
someday, maybe 50 years from now. Yeah, little toy wheels.
I was
Hey.
working on redesigning my wheels for my car actually. Because I got one.
Oh, so I was talking to the technical director for the rally series, and I asked him, I'm like, how would you recommend I run the fuel lines on my car? And he's like, underneath's not a good idea because you hit one rock and you're done.
Yeah.
And he's like, what a lot of people do is they'll do the NASCAR style where they take like literally just a steel pipe and they run a conduit through the car and then they run the specialty fuel line through the pipe.
Yeah.
So no matter what, you're not going to get sprayed with fuel.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm going to do. But it's going to be very difficult, expensive, and complicated, fucking awful process.
I don't think it's really going to be expensive
Yeah.
for the extra pipe.
No, the fuel line is really expensive. It's I don't remember, it's some specialty brand.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I hear
Yeah.
specialty brand. I hear overpriced.
It's fuel line, man. I don't want to skimp on fuel line.
Yeah.
Here lies James. He bought eBay fuel line.
Yeah, I'm fucking you're crispy.
Yeah, that's my concern.
You're crispy.
Is that
Truth hurts.
because the gas was leaking.
Truth hurts.
Oh my
Sorry.
God, that's fucked up. That's so fucked up. Laz, I think if we find the right buyer for the engine, if they know what they're looking at, because this is $100, this is $500, this is $50, $50. The clutch is $50 maybe. It's a little heat. We just gotta find somebody to buy the stupid thing. Not me. I don't want to deal with it. Okay. All right, guys. That is removing a turbo kit. Well, I accidentally cut out 10 minutes. I think I cut out.
Probably.
But 3 people, 20 minutes. See you guys next time.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive.